Hi, you guys. So I'm coming on here because I want to give you like a quick review on the lip product that I'm wearing today. Um, I picked up one lip kit from Rinna Beauty. Lisa Rinna is a housewife of LA. She came out with a beauty brand and she created her own lip kits. And I think by far her lip kits are way better than Kylie Jenner's. First of all, with Rinna Beauty's lip kit, you get a lip liner, a lipstick, and a lip gloss. They are a little bit more pricier than the Kylie Jenner ones, but the quality of the product is way better, like way better. The I've been wearing this kit now since I got it a few days ago, just to see how the product is. Is it drying? Is it, what the texture is? Does it come off? Now, the thing with this kit is they're really super creamy. So, it's easy to apply. It's hydrating to the lips. And you can either wear the lip liner alone, the lipstick alone, or the lip gloss alone, or you can combine the two, or you can mix and match, whatever you want. I'm right now wearing the lip liner and lipstick, and it's very creamy and comfortable to wear. I don't even feel it on my lips, to be honest. And like I've tried the entire lip kit as a whole this past week. The gloss is really comfortable. You don't feel like it's sticky. Like when you go like that, the gloss doesn't like get stringy or anything like that. So the gloss is very comfortable, very hydrating, doesn't really move around too much. You only need a little bit and it's very comfortable on the lips. There's not really a scent to the product, which I like. And I just find that it's easy to apply and easy to remove. Now, the thing is that if you're looking for a long wear product, this is not a long wear product. It's going to come off when you eat. It's going to come off if you drink. And it's going to come off if you, it's going to transfer if you kiss somebody. So just be aware. It's not one of those stay on all day products. And personally for me, now that masks mandates are going to be removed soon, I want something that's more hydrating and more comfortable to wear on the lips, because I find that lip kits like Kylie Jenner's matte liquid lips lip kit are too drying for my lips. So Rinna Beauty, thumbs up. Quality is there. I think that it is a fantastic lip kit if you're looking for something that you can be very versatile with. I am wearing the Heidi Lip kit. For those of you who may want to go check out her website. I believe her website is rinnabeauty.com. And that's it for now. Bye, everyone.